Hey guys, my name is Rahul and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to discuss about another type of pattern in Java. Before starting, if you have not followed us on Instagram, then the link I have added in the description box panel. Also, the channel name is visible over here. Hit on the link, follow us today. So let's get started. Guys, in the previous video, we have already discussed with all the logic and all. If you have not watched that video, then the link I have added in the description box panel. If you like this video, then hit on like button. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and also share this video with your friends. In today's video, I'm going to discuss the exactly reverse of this pattern in Java language. So in order to give you more clarity, let's try to understand how we will get this pattern printed in your console section or command prompt. So guys, you know how to print this type of pattern because these all are considered as basic pattern in Java. If you don't know how to print this type of pattern, link is live in the description box panel. Hit on the link and start watching the video. So once you get to know how to print this type of pattern, then you just have to combine these two patterns. And once you combine these two patterns, you will get exactly this type of pattern printed in your console section or your command prompt. But exactly what we want to have this type of pattern printed. So if you just try to understand the difference between these two patterns, right? So over here, you can see we have two rows having maximum stars. So 5, 5. But what exactly we want? We want to have one row which will be having maximum stars. So let's go to Eclipse and try to understand how we can print this type of pattern in your command prompt or your console. Now, what we will have to do is we will have to print the normal triangle star, right? So I'll just take for loop, and this is what we call declaration and initialization of variable. So I'll just take int I equals to 1. I should be less than equals to 4. So I'm taking maximum star or maximum star value or rows value as 4 over here. If you want, you can definitely increase the value as per your requirement. I'll take another for loop to print all the columns. So I'll just say 4. Again, I'll use declaration and initialization for j. I'll just take int j equals to 1. J should be less than equals to I, and then I'll just say j plus plus. Now, what exactly we want to print? We want to print all the stars. So I'll just say sys out, and over here you will have to use print instead of println, and you will have to just put star here. Now, in order to print next line, you will have to say system.out.println, and we are done. Now, once you hit on the run button, exactly the same pattern, it will get printed over here. This pattern, it will print in your console. Now, we want to have this type of pattern printed, right? So let's see how we can print. In the same code, you will have to just modify, because if you see here in the first row, how many stars we have? So we have maximum stars. And what is the maximum value we have taken here? 4. So over here, you just have to say int j equals to 4, and it should be greater than equals to I, and you will have to just use decrement expression, right? Now, once you run your code, the same pattern will get printed in your console section over here. Now, let's combine both the patterns. So what I'll do is I'll just copy this, right? And I'll paste it over here, and we'll just do the modification in the first code. So I'll just say int j equals to 1, and this should be less than equals to I, right? And over here we'll use the increment. Now, once you run your code, exactly the same pattern it will print in your console. But what exactly we want? We want one row which will be having maximum stars. In order to get one row over here, right? One row with maximum stars, you just have to minimize the column value over here. So you just have to say j equals to 3. Now, once you run your code, exactly the same pattern you will get printed in your console. So let's try to understand the logic. So over here we have, so this is to print the first star pattern, and this is to print the second star pattern over here. Let's understand. Int I equals to 1. So what is the value of I we have? We have I equals to 1 here, right? It will check is 1 is less than equals to 4. Yeah, this is true. If this is true, it will get inside this for loop, right? Now here, what is the condition we have? So the condition we have j equals to 1. Okay, this is good. What is the condition we have? J should be less than equals to y. So it will check is 1 is less than equals to 1, because the value of I is 1. It will check is 1 is less than equals to 1. This is true. If this is true, it will get inside this and it will print 1 star. So 1 star will get printed over. Now it will check because we have used j++. So j value will get increased by 1. Now it will be 2. So it will check is 2 is less than equals to 1. This is not a correct statement. If this is not a correct statement, it will terminate this loop and it will print what? System.out.println, and this is nothing but it will go to the next line. So cursor will be here. Now again it will go and it will check. So what is the value of I now? I will get increased to 2 because it was 1. Now we have used I++, so it will increase the value by 1. Now it will check is 2 is less than equals to 4. Yeah, this is again true. If this is true, it will again get inside this for loop and it will start printing this value. So it will check is, what is the value of j we have? J equals to 1. So it will start from the 1 itself. So it will check is 1 is less than equals to 2. This is true. If this is true, it will print 1 star here. Again, j value will get increased. So it will be 2 now. It will check is 2 is less than equals to 2. This is again true. It will print 1 more star over here. Again, the j value will get increased. So it will check is 3 is less than equals to 2. This is false. If this is false, it will terminate this loop and it will execute system.out.println, which is nothing but the cursor will be here now. Again, it will go here and it will start checking the condition. So what will be the value of I now? I will get increased to 3. So it will check is 3 is less than equals to 4. Yeah, this is again true. If this is true, it will again come inside this loop and it will start checking the value of j from 1 till 3. So it will check is 1 is less than equals to 3. This is true. It will print 1 star here. Is 2 is less than equals to 3. Again, this is true. It will print 1 more star here. Is 3 is less than equals to 3. This is again true. It will print 1 more star here. Is 4 is less than equals to 3. This is a false statement. It will terminate this loop and it will print system.out.println, which is nothing but the cursor will be here now. Now the cursor is here. Again, it will go and it will check. What is the value of I now? I we have I equals to 4, right? Now it will check is 4 is less than equals to 4. This is true. If this is true, again it will come inside this loop and it will start iterating the value of j from 1 till 4. So it will check is 1 is less than equals to 4. This is true. It will print 1 star here. Is 2 is less than equals to 4. Again, this is true. It will print 1 more star here. Is 3 is less than equals to 4. This is again true. It will print 1 more star here. Is 4 is less than equals to 4. This is again true. It will print 1 more star over here. Now the value of j will get increased by 1. Now it will be 5. It will check is 5 is less than equals to 4. This is not a correct statement. Again, it will terminate this for loop and it will execute system.out.println. It means the cursor will be here at the 5th row. Now again it will go and it will check. What will be the value of I now? I value will get increased from 4 to 5. Now it will check is 5 is less than equals to 4. This is false. If this is false, it will completely terminate the first for loop and it will get inside this for loop over here, right? Now the cursor will be here at the 5th position and it will start iterating the another for loop which we have combined. Now over here, what is the value of I we have? I equals to 1, okay? And what is the maximum value of I we have? 4. So it will check is I 1 is less than equals to 4. This is true. If this is true, it will get inside this for loop and it will start iterating the value of j from 3 till the minimum value of I. So it will check is 3 is greater than equals to 1. Yeah, this is true. If this is true, it will print 1 star. Is 2 is greater than equals to 1. This is again true. It will again print 1 more star here. Is 1 is greater than equals to 1. This is again true. It will print 1 more star here. Now is 0 is greater than equals to 1. This is a false statement. It will terminate this loop and the cursor will be here. Again, it will start iterating the value of I because I will become 2 now. Again, it will check is 3 is greater than 2. 3 is greater than equals to 2. It will print 1 star here. Is 2 is greater than equals to 2. Yeah, this is again true. This will print 1 more star here. Is 1 is greater than equals to 2. This is false. It will terminate this loop and the cursor will be here. And again, this last star will get printed in your console section. So guys, if you run this code, right, exactly the same type of pattern you will get printed in your console section or the command prompt. And these all documents I have added in the description box panel, guys. So if you want to go through these all logics and all, then definitely you can go and you can refer these all documents. And one more thing, guys, all the documents related to Dissolve patterns. I upload everything in the CodeSpark academy.in official website of CodeSpark. So if you want to have Dissolve information, then you can just refer Dissolve. And guys, this is really very important. Please ask your friends to visit this website, and definitely you will have better understanding on Dissolve concept. So guys, this is all about this video. If you like this video, hit on the like button, subscribe to this CodeSpark channel, and do not forget to share Dissolve videos with your friends. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye-bye.